What it do, YouTube? Back with another one. How have y'all been? Man, it's technically Sunday, July 6th. So still 4th of July weekend, man. I hope y'all had a good and safe 4th of July. Hope all your people are safe, good. One of the popular black, lounge / clubs in Nashville got burned down, and they say allegedly from fireworks. And I was like, firework did that? Well, they threw that firework and hit the right thing. Well, yeah, man, I couldn't sleep. I was supposed to do a live, but got too busy. So I ended up posting a video I was going to post yesterday today. So, plan to still go live. I was supposed to actually be up early in the morning to do something. I got a couple errands to run and something to do. Then I'm going to stream later on, and this video will probably come out after that live stream. But yeah, my goal with live streaming is a couple of times a week. Then I want to do one full week every day. It's probably be the week I take off from work. Just do a full week of streaming every day for multiple hours. So that's my goal. I really want to actually network and connect with people. To maybe do I seen some people do it. It's like a content house for like a couple of days. So get like an Airbnb, rent it out, content house with other creators. Just gotta look into it and see how that goes. But yeah, I couldn't sleep, so I said, hey, why not go and get out, drive, make a little video real quick. I ain't gonna lie, Uber and Lyft drivers be parked like the police now. It get on my nerves. Like you ain't have no other option, sir? Like you couldn't just, you feel me? Do something a little different, but couldn't sleep. My alarm is set to go off around 7 o'clock, and if you see it, it's 2:37 right now. I've been trying to go to bed since 12. Couldn't do it. Just couldn't get comfortable. I think I fell asleep for a little bit because I was dreaming. But I don't know if I was asleep or daydreaming, because I still felt present in the moment of like everything was going around me. So, me personally, I can't sleep. I don't sleep without the TV on. So I was still hearing the TV, and yeah. But I felt like I had a dream. So, all right. And was I asleep? Was I up? I couldn't get comfortable. So I was up. And probably about 5 to 7 minutes before I press record, I said, you know what? I said I was going to record a video and go live today. And I ain't do either or. Let me go record a car video, because I've been slacking on these, man. Shout out to my automotive. God dang. Automotive supporters. You feel me? I appreciate each one of y'all, man. I know I've been doing the 2K streams. Shout out to y'all. If y'all coming from that, I've been getting a lot of subscribers from that. I appreciate the support from all angles. One with my blogging. I got a video coming up. Another one. I'm supposed to record something tomorrow afternoon at the per AM, so you'll probably see this before that. This will be my Sunday evening drop. The Pro Am would be my Monday drop. Thought that power was gonna be a lot deadlier. I ain't gonna lie, I wanted to go get so I set an appointment to get my car normal maintenance for the 55,000 mile. And I was like, man, I gotta go spend money for an oil change. And then Friday, I noticed, I was like, it's the 55. It's not the, it don't end with a 0, it end with a 5. So I was like, that's just a tire rotation. And I bought my tires from them, so that should be free, I think. Yeah, it should be free, but I'm still looking like I might have to pay something. I'm not tripping if I do. I was like, damn, I was expecting to spend like one something today. Got to the thing, man who getting ready to take my car. He was like, yeah, you bought the tires from here, right? I said, yeah, I said right there on your computer. Bought it straight from y'all, Lexus. Yes, I bought it straight from the dealership. Oh yeah, we're gonna get your tires rotated. That's all this is for this 55,000. I'm not even at 55,000. I'm actually early. I don't even think, I ain't made it 52 yet. And to be honest, I scheduled it. I was actually planning on going to Memphis, but I got out of the dealership late. So I didn't even feel like wasting my time being late to the Memphis activity. So it is what it is, because I really didn't get no rest yesterday. And I need to cut the grass today too. So it was like perfect that I didn't go, because to be honest, with no sleep, running down there late, and then I'm coming right back the same day. So it's like 6 hours on the road, lack of sleep. Probably wouldn't have left from Memphis. I probably got down like 2, probably left between 6 and 8. I mean, I would have made it back to Nashville between 11 and 12-ish. And that's if I ain't do any other activities. But yeah, man, I got my errands done. I didn't live stream like I planned on it, but you know, sometimes it's good to take a break, especially if you got something in the tuck that you can use. I also started I already had to set up my members only section, just for those who want like the extra content. I had a whole lot of videos that I edited and uploaded but never published or made public. So it's kind of, some is outdated, some is not that old, but I was like, hey, I don't want to put it out like it's brand new. So I was like, I'll put it on this section. I got another car video that I need to put on there, because I'm gonna probably upload that tomorrow too, because that was I think I recorded that on Mother's Day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and download off this camera and then upload it. Yeah, I need to actually start working on editing that other video for Monday, because I gotta go through months of videos to get that finished. I actually was supposed to start doing that earlier this week, but I've been focused on live streaming. I think I did 3 or 4 live streams this past week, and I'm proud of myself. I think I did Sunday, Monday, I think Tuesday, and I did Thursday and Friday. It might be 5 right there if I did Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I know I ain't do Wednesday for sure. I know I did Thursday. think I did Thursday. I know I did Friday. It was my most viewed live stream on the Shorts Vertical. I had 1.9K that tuned in. And that's a real blessing. Yeah. Really just cooling on the most part though, man. Just, just yapping at this point. Hey, yeah, I ain't recorded video since. But hey, shout out to OKC win the NBA Finals. Shout out to Shea, first Kentucky player to win MVP, Finals MVP, and West Conference MVP. And I hate when people try to say Shea is the first one to win 3 MVPs in one season. He's not. It was a guy named Michael Jeffrey Jordan who did it first. And for you comment and say, well, it wasn't no Eastern Conference MVP when he played. Well, it was another MVP when he played, and they still got it. It's called the All-Star Game MVP. And he won that, the MVP and the Finals MVP. I think he did it twice. So, he won 3 MVPs in one season. Shea is not the first. I understand what y'all try to do. I understand. Y'all tried to shade Jordan to bring up LeBron. I'm really a savant of this, man. Like, hey, y'all. I'm supposed to do a video about that too. About it's the Gilbert Arenas way of choosing who is the GOAT based off accolades. Because championships do matter, but also what your individual career is like far as awards. Like, how many times was you an MVP? How many times did you win a scoring title? How many times were you first team All-NBA, first team defense, defensive player of the year, and things of that nature? But yeah, man. Shout out to Shea. I'm still a Kentucky guy. I was rooting for him to win just because, hey, Kentucky all day, every day. But I wouldn't have been mad if the Pacers won. No lie. I got my granddaddy's side of the family is from Indianapolis. So I probably would have went up there for the parade. Hey, Auntie, can I stay with you? Yeah, we're Pacers fans for the day. Can I stay with you, Auntie? Yes, sir. Yeah. I just need to take a nap. I hit the road right back. It's just a 4.5 hour drive back to the Ville. I just wonder, you already know that. I just want to see the parade. It's right around the corner. I ain't gonna lie, I thought about going to a finals game in Indianapolis. And the prices was high. I think the lowest I seen was about 800, and that was for the nosebleed. But they were starting off at like 1,000. But if it was 1,000 and closer to the court, I probably would have done it. But because that thing was in a goddamn nosebleed, touching the ceiling, I couldn't do it. I feel like it wouldn't have been enjoyable for me sitting that high. Because to be honest, I ain't said that high since, not the bragging thing, I ain't said that high since like 2021. And that time I moved down at the halftime because it was COVID. So they had so many open seats left Yeah, but hey, I appreciate y'all joining me on this little car ride. For the rest of the time, I'm about to, listen to my music on the way back to the house. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I think I finally got my brain to calm down. My brain runs 1,000,000 miles per minute when it's time to go to bed. So it takes me a couple hours even to go to sleep because I'm just thinking about what I can do, what is the next mission, and things of that nature. But yeah, I'm gonna do more car videos. I'm gonna try to drop once a week at least, maybe more, but we'll see. But I'm gonna catch y'all with y'all next time. Godspeed.